Hello everyone. Welcome to Raya Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region YouTube channel. We will study through the video series every day, the different subjects. Staying at home, be safe, learn and understand the concept and revise at home. 8th Standard Scholarship, Subject English, Unit number 4, Grammar. Today we are going to learn lesson number 22, Voice, Active and Passive, and lesson number 23, Direct and Indirect Speech. Lesson number 22, Voice, Active and Passive. 1. A sentence in which the subject does the action to the object is said to be in the active voice. For example, Anil ate an orange. Active voice. Anil subject, ate verb, and orange object. The same sentence can be written as an orange was eaten by Anil. Passive voice. An orange subject was eaten verb by Anil. Phrase. In the second sentence, the subject, an orange, is not the doer of the action. The name of the doer of the action is in the by phrase, by Anil. Such sentences are said to be in the passive voice. Sometimes in the sentences in the passive voice, the by phrase is left out. For example, 1. All the tickets were sold. 2. Hindi films are enjoyed all over Asia. 3. The union leaders were arrested. Changes in the verb phrase. Active voice, passive voice. 1. Simple present tense. Active voice, I write a story. Passive voice, a story is written by me. 2. Present continuous tense. Active voice, I am writing a story. Passive voice, a story is being written by me. 3. Present perfect tense. Active voice, I have written a story. Passive voice, a story has been written by me. 4. Simple past tense. Active voice, I wrote a story. Passive voice, a story was written by me. 5. Past continuous tense. Active voice, I was writing a story. Passive voice, a story was being written by me. 6. Past perfect tense. Active voice, I had written a story. Passive voice, a story had been written by me. 1. Simple future tense. Active voice, I shall write a story. Passive voice, a story will be written by me. 2. Future perfect tense. Active voice, I shall have written a story. Passive voice, a story will have been written by me. 3. Interrogative sentences. Active voice, did you write a story? Passive voice, was a story written by you? Active voice, will you write a story? Passive voice, will a story be written by you? Active voice, who kicked the cat? Passive voice, by whom was the cat kicked? Active voice, have you posted the letter? Passive voice, has the letter been posted by you? Active voice, passive voice. Verb taking two objects. I told her a story. Passive voice. 1. She was told a story by me. 2. A story was told to her by me. Imperative sentences. Active voice, complete it now. Passive voice, let it be completed now. Active voice, inform the school immediately. Passive voice, let the school be informed immediately. Choose the correct passive voice sentences for the following. 1. Did John see that movie? Option number 1. Was that movie seen by John? 2. By whom was that movie seen? 3. Is that movie seen by John? 4. Will that movie be seen by you? Out of the 4 options, option number 1 is the correct answer. Was that movie seen by John? 2. Did you break this glass? Option number 1. By whom was this glass broken? 2. Is this glass broken by you? 3. Has this glass been broken by you? 4. Was this glass broken by you? Out of the 4 options, option number 4 is the correct answer. Was this glass broken by you? 3. Put out the light. Option number 1. The light should be put out. 2. The light must be put out. 3. Let the light be put out. 4. The light is to be put out. Out of the 4 options, option number 3 is the correct answer. Let the light be put out. Question number 2. Choose the correct active voice construction of the given sentences. 1. The novel will be completed by me in a week. Option number 1. I completed the novel in a week. 2. I can complete the novel in a week. 3. I complete the novel in a week. 4. I will complete the novel in a week. Out of the 4 options, option number 4 is the correct answer. I will complete the novel in a week. 2. Has your homework been done by you? Option number 1. Have you done your homework? 2. Have you did your homework? 3. Are you doing your homework? 4. Do your homework. Out of the 4 options, option number 1 is the correct answer. Have you done your homework? Lesson number 23. Direct and indirect speech. 1. The actual words spoken by a person are called direct speech. Direct speech is usually put within inverted commas. When the words spoken by a person are reported by another person without quoting his exact words, it is called reported or indirect speech. For example, he said, I am late today. Direct speech. He said that he was late that day. Indirect speech. 2. Rules for changing from direct to indirect speech. 1. The use of the reporting verb like said will depend on the meaning of the direct speech. If it is a question, statement, explanation, or order, request, we would use reporting verbs like told, asked, said, exclaimed, or ordered, requested, respectively. 2. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the reported verbs will change in the following ways. A. Simple present, simple past. B. Present continuous, past continuous. C. Present perfect, past perfect. D. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. E. Simple past, past perfect. F. Future tense, will, shall, become, would. However, if the sentence in direct speech is a universal truth, its tense will not change. For example, he said, all mothers love their children. He said that all mothers love their children. 3. First person possessive pronouns and adjectives become third person possessive pronouns and adjectives. For example, my and our become his, her. and there. 4. Inverted commas are used in direct speech. These should be dropped in the direct speech. 5. Words referring to time in the direct speech passage will change in this way. A. Today becomes that day. B. Yesterday becomes the day before or the previous day. C. Tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day. D. Now becomes then. 6. When the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the principal verb tense in the direct speech remain unchanged. Only the pronouns will change. For example, 1. He said, switch off the light. He asked me to switch off the light. 2. He asked, when is your mother coming? He asked me when my mother was coming. 3. She said, oh, what a beautiful scene. She exclaimed with delight that it was a very beautiful scene. 4. He says the sun never rises in the west. He says that the sun never rises in the west. 7. When changing from the question form to the assertive form, the subject should be placed before the verb. For example, he asked him, who is your father? He asked who his father was. Questions for practice. Question number 1. Select the correct indirect speech form of the given direct speech. 1. My teacher often says to me, if you don't work hard, you will fail. Option number 1. My teacher often said to me that if I don't work hard, I shall fail. 2. My teacher often says to me that if I don't work hard, I shall fail. 3. My teacher often said to me that if I didn't work hard, I should fail. 4. My teacher often says to me, if I don't work hard, I shall be failed. Out of the 4 options, option number 2 is the correct answer. My teacher often says to me that if I don't work hard, I shall fail. 2. The girl said to her friend, please lend me this book. Option number 1. The girl ordered her friend to give her that book. 2. The girl asked her friend to lend her that book. 3. The girl requested her friend to lend her that book. 4. The girl requested her friend to lend this book to her. Out of the 4 options, option number 3 is the correct answer. The girl requested her friend to lend her that book. 3. He said, I do not wish to see any of you. Go away. Option number 1. He said that he did not wish to see any of them and asked them to go away. 2. He said that I don't want to see any of you. Please go away. 3. He said that he does not wish to see any of them and ordered them to go away. 4. He said I doesn't want to see any of them and asked them to go away. Out of the 4 options, option number 1 is the correct answer. He said that he did not wish to see any of them and asked them to go away. Question number 2. Select 2 incorrect indirect speech sentences from each set. 1. Option number 1. The doctor asked the patient to come to the clinic tomorrow. 2. He said that he did not want to see the film. 3. Mary said, will you come to school today? 4. Ronnie requested his friend to send the book. Out of the 4 options, Option number 1 and 3 are the correct answer. The doctor asked the patient to come to the clinic. 3. Mary said, "Will you come to school today?" 2. Option number 1. Suman asked what did he want from her. 2. She wanted to know where is the book. 3. The thief claimed that he had not stolen the watch. 4. The police asked him whether it was his car. Out of the 4 options, option number 1 and 2 are the correct answers. 1. Suman asked what did he want from her. 2. She wanted to know where is the book. Homework. Unit number 4. Grammar. Lesson number 22. Voice. Active and passive. Solve question number 4, 5, 6, 7. Page number 86. Lesson number 23. Direct and indirect speech. Solve question number 3 and 4. Page number 9. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.